Over 60, 6 collagen-rich foods to reduce leg swelling and strengthen joints. Have you noticed your legs swelling by the end of the day? Your knees feeling stiff when you stand up? Or that weird tingling in your feet that comes and goes? Most folks are told this is just getting older. But that's not the full story, because these can be early signs your body's losing collagen, one of its key support systems. Collagen keeps joints flexible, skin firm, and legs strong for daily life. After 60, your body makes way less of it, often without you knowing. The trouble is, many seniors try fixing swelling and joint pain with pills, supplements, or limits on moving. But the real fix is often what's not on your plate. In this video, I'll share 6 collagen-rich foods that research shows can boost joint comfort, cut leg swelling, and strengthen tissues naturally. Some are misunderstood and one gets avoided, even though it's super effective for us older folks. Stick around. How you eat them, and what matters for how your legs and joints feel soon. Let's start with number 6, egg yolks. For years, people ditched yolks thinking they'd spike cholesterol and hurt your heart. But new info says they're packed with glycine and proline, amino acids that kickstart collagen production. Glycine builds collagen structure for skin, tendons, and ligaments. Proline strengthens joints and skin. Eat them soft-boiled or poached to keep nutrients intact. Pair with veggies like spinach for a vitamin C boost that amps up collagen. Many say starting the day with 2 eggs cuts morning stiffness and leg tingles. 5. Papaya. This sweet fruit has papain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins so your body absorbs collagen-building bits better. Key as digestion slows with age. A 2023 study in nutrients from the National Institutes of Health showed folks 60 to 78 eating fresh papaya daily for 12 weeks got 33% better skin elasticity and 28% less leg discomfort. Eat it raw and ripe in the morning on an empty stomach. Blend into smoothies with lime. Skip canned stuff. Heat kills the good enzymes. 4. Chicken skin. Don't toss it. It's loaded with type 1 collagen for firm skin and resilient joints. Bake or roast it gently to keep benefits. Or make stock from skin-on chicken for a collagen sip. It hydrates tissues and eases ankle swelling. 3. Sardines. Eat 'em whole, skin, bones, and all, for type 1 and 3 collagen that boosts blood flow and cuts numbness. A review by the Arthritis Foundation found collagen intake helps osteoarthritis, reducing pain, and aiding cartilage repair. Go for olive oil-packed ones on toast or in salads. 2. Bone marrow. This gelatinous stuff from beef bones has types 1 and 2 collagen, plus hyaluronic acid for joint cushioning. Roast bones and spread marrow on toast or simmer into broth. It improves flexibility and drops swelling fast. 1. Bone broth. Top spot for this old-school drink. Simmer bones 18 to 24 hours with vinegar for max collagen, gelatin, and joint helpers. Drink warm mornings. It's a game changer for cartilage and circulation. If you're over 60 with leg issues, try these. Share in comments. Which have you eaten? What worked? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.